So, you rolling? Here we go.
Yeah.
So this is how it happened. Today, absolutely, I was chilling in the crib. I thought that it would just be me cooking Claudie. And, you know, earlier, if y'all go back to the post, I was like, if anything, I would love for Sweet Mickey to sing Palmain from the concert. And then she was like, that ain't gonna happen. And then, I promise y'all, I can't even make this up.
The bell.
Then the front gate goes off. And literally, it's FaceTime, because I wasn't sure if they was gonna come or not, because the message was vague yesterday. And here we are. Y'all can't even front on this, man. Like Jay-Z, like Obama stopping by to see Jay-Z. This is what this feels like. Like I got bragging rights. The Prezidan stopping by to see me. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna let no one could say that Sweet Mickey sang happy birthday for them on their birthday, man. So King, talk to me, man.
Thanks, man.
No, thank
We
you.
love
You
you so much.
surprised me, man.
We love you so much, man. And I'm not by myself. I came with my whole gang, my family, my
Gang.
family.
Right. Wait, Yanni was celebrating the other week. We Libras.
You know how much they love you, so
No, that's.
we have the whole orchestra. Guys, you ready for Clef? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wyclef. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, wow.
Yep, I'm here too.
And I heard that voice over there, hiding behind the camera.